Hello everyone, hope you are well. So today in this video I am going to talk about how to earn money from bodybuilding. So without wasting your time, let's get start this video. So there is a huge scope of earning money from bodybuilding. Now the question is how you can earn money from bodybuilding. So number one, you can earn money from bodybuilding by participating bodybuilding contest. Number two, you can become content creator and you can share your knowledge of bodybuilding and you can earn money from content creation. Number three, you can become a model and you can earn money from photoshoot. Number four, you can become dietitian or nutrition specialist and you can give consultancy services to the athletes and you can earn money from consultancy services. And number five, you can become trainer or coach of young bodybuilder and you can earn money from training or coaching. So that's the end of this video. I will come again with another new topic. Till then, goodbye.